Now see the task. Simultaneous adopting DVC so that data sets like model files or version separately from code. Initialize DVC inside the existing Git repository for root code fraud reduction. And the record and initialization in Git. The Git repository already exists at directory of root code and fraud reduction. With an initial commit. We need to go to check the fraud reduction. They have git ignore file and the ignore file is available. Now we need to change the directory of terminal and initialize DVC inside the repository so that the standard DVC control directory and .dvc ignore file are created alongside the existing git working file. Stage every file that DVC produces during initialization and record them in a new git commit with the message initialize DVC. So we need to change the directory. Now you can see here cd root code. Go to the directory, the fraud reduction. Fraud reduction. You can go and click on this. We need to change the directory of we have provided in the task. Now we are changing the directory. Put on pwd. Now we have present working directory is root code fraud reduction and we need to initialize DVC. DVC init. Now you can see DVC has enabled. Now you can go to and after initialization we need to standard.dvc control directory to create a in .dvc control directory. Git add git add .dvc folder. File name is dvc ignore. dvc ignore. Now we have the file was created. Now we need to check git commit. Now we have added. Now we need to commit. Git commit. Now the message is new git name. Message is initialize DVC. So we have put the message here initialized DVC. Now you can see DVC configure and DVC inserter. Here list dot DVC folder. The file is under dot shape will not okay. Check that. Once the will detect in the new DVC file, you can see here .dvc is created with with ignore and configuration. Now you can see that the file is created in here. .dvc ignore. You can see in fraud detection the file is created, but was not shown because it was we have working with the ignore file. Ignore file is not showing in the directory. Check the task, confirm to finish the task. Thank you for watching.